Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Binance Web3 wallet. First, you'll need to access the Web3 wallet section within your Binance app. If you haven't already, create your wallet and ensure you back up your recovery phrase in a safe, offline location. This phrase is crucial for regaining access if you lose your device. Once set up, you're ready to explore the world of decentralized finance. Now, let's get some funds into your Web3 wallet. You can easily transfer crypto from your existing Binance Spot wallet. Alternatively, you might be able to use fiat currency directly through supported payment methods, like a credit card or bank transfer, depending on your region. Always double-check the network fees, which are usually quite small, often less than $1, before confirming any transaction. With funds in your wallet, buying crypto is straightforward. Head to the Buy or Swap section within your Web3 wallet interface. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase and specify the amount. The wallet will display the current exchange rate and any associated gas fees. Review all the details carefully before confirming your transaction to ensure everything is correct. Security is paramount in the Web3 space. Always double-check the recipient address for every transaction to prevent loss of funds. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your assets. Remember, your wallet's security is your responsibility. For more great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below. Stay safe and enjoy your Web3 journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.